Hi, I'm Brian S. Mahoney of BrianSMahoneyOnline.com. What audiologists do. Audiologists diagnose and treat a patient's hearing and balance problems using advanced technology and procedures. The work environment. Most audiologists work in healthcare facilities such as hospitals, physician offices, and audiology clinics. Some work in schools or for school districts and travel between facilities. How to become an audiologist. Audiologists need a doctoral degree and must be licensed in all states. The requirements vary by state. The pay. The median annual wage for audiologists was $69,720 in May of 2012. The job outlook. Employment of audiologists is projected to grow 34% from 2015 to 2022, much faster than the average for all occupations. Hearing loss increases as people age, so the aging population is likely to increase demand for audiologists. Thank you for watching. If you have a topic for a training video you would like created, then leave your choice in the comment section. Also like or thumbs up this video. If you would like information on how to start your own business, which includes how to get government grants, how to write a business plan, how to select your business name, how to use free internet marketing to advertise your business, and much more, then visit BrianSMahoneyOnline.com. And don't forget to subscribe so you can be notified when more of the over 1,000 free training videos we will be creating are uploaded. Thanks again for watching, and make it a great day.